How is your day going so far? I'm Evgen, a technician at Appliance Fix Lab in Winnipeg, Canada. It was time to maintain Moffat appliances. The company received a service call from the Valerie Heights area to repair a Moffat dryer and washer. The washer does not spin the clothes and the dryer does not dry them. Diagnosing the washer. I remove the front panel and gain access to the main components of the washer: transmission, motor, shock springs, drain pump, and others. During visual inspection, I noticed oily stains. When I rotate the drum by hand, I hear a loud noise. Diagnosing the washer is complete. The transmission needs to be replaced. Diagnosing the dryer. The dryer turns on, rotates the drum and turns on the heater. After checking the air duct outlet, I found that the airflow being blown out was too small. This may induct mechanical damage to the impeller, drive belt, or mechanical blockage of the dryer or ventilation duct. I proceed to disassemble the dryer and conduct a visual inspection. All components are intact and the technical parameters are normal. I clean out all the lint that has accumulated inside the dryer and thoroughly clean the air duct. Due to the accumulation of lint, moisture was not removed and as a result the dryer stopped drying the laundry. I consistently assemble the dryer and connect the air duct. I check the operation of the dryer in all modes. Success! The Moffat dryer works in all modes and is ready for further use. It's time to say goodbye. If you have any questions about repairing your Moffat washer and dryer or any other appliances, leave a comment and the Appliance Fix Lab team will definitely answer them. So, I advise you to click the subscribe button right now, so as not to miss the next fascinating and informative series of video reviews on the maintenance of appliances in the Canadian city of Winnipeg. You subscribe and like. I make new videos on appliance repair and maintenance. Together we can fix any problem. See you soon. Bye bye.